Bovine Pregnancy Rapid Test Operation Video. Step 1. Take out the instruction manual and the test card. Follow the instructions provided in the manual. Step 2. Collect the sample by obtaining blood from the base of the cow's tail. Use the provided dropper to collect blood and add 6 drops to the assay diluent tube. This step is crucial. Ensure the correct amount of liquid is added. Shake well. Step 3. Tear open the foil bag containing the test card and place it on a flat surface. Use the dropper to collect the prepared sample and add 3 drops to the hole. Again, it's crucial to add the correct amount of liquid. Let it stand for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 4. Interpret the results.